The construction industry never stops. Every day, houses, roads, bridges, and buildings rise, transforming our cities. But the most interesting thing is that behind every project, there are profitable businesses that not only generate income, but are also changing the way we live. Today, I'm going to show you 17 profitable businesses in the construction sector, many of them based on innovative machines that you can import from China at very low prices, and that represent unique opportunities to start a business, create jobs, and scale into million-dollar projects. And remember, in the description of this video, I'm leaving you the direct link to import these machines safely and with reliable suppliers. Construction is not only one of the most stable sectors of the global economy, it is also one of the most innovative. Today, it's no longer just about building houses and buildings with traditional methods, but about incorporating new technologies and materials that reduce costs, speed up timelines, and generate less environmental impact. In Latin America, the demand for housing, roads, bridges, schools, and hospitals is constant. And at the same time, revolutionary business models are emerging. Recycled plastic blocks that turn waste into value, prefabricated houses that can be installed in weeks, and compact machines that allow you to set up mini factories for construction materials from a warehouse or even from home. This opens a unique window of opportunity for entrepreneurs. Those who dare to enter now can become pioneers of modern construction, positioning themselves as strategic suppliers in a market that is looking for faster, more sustainable, and more profitable solutions. We are not talking about a distant future. It is already happening, and those who act today will be the ones leading the transformation of our cities tomorrow. Business number 1: automatic cement block machines. Block-making machines are the backbone of modern construction. With these machines, which you can import from China starting at $1,200 up to $9,000, you can produce high-rotation concrete bricks and blocks used in housing, walls, and public works. A manual block-making machine is ideal for starting small, while a hydraulic one allows you to manufacture between 1,500 and 2,500 blocks per day, turning your workshop into a mini materials plant. Business number 2: machines for recycled plastic bricks. Sustainable construction is a global trend. With these machines, you transform plastic waste into resistant, lightweight, and waterproof blocks that replace traditional bricks. Their price ranges between $6,000 and $12,000, and the great advantage is that, in addition to generating profits, you help solve one of the most serious environmental problems: excess plastic. An innovative business that is already gaining ground in social housing projects and eco-friendly construction. Business number 3: mini factories for prefabricated concrete. City halls and construction companies constantly demand poles, beams, pavers, and concrete slabs. With a mini prefabricated concrete factory, you can supply municipal and private contracts. These compact lines include molds, mixers, and vibrators, and can be set up in a warehouse with a much lower investment than an industrial plant. It's a business with guaranteed demand and constant payments from public institutions and construction companies. Business number 4: 3D printers for houses. This is one of the most disruptive businesses in the sector. 3D construction printers are giant machines capable of building complete homes in a matter of days using special concrete. Although the initial investment is higher, these printers are revolutionizing the way we build, reducing time, labor costs, and waste. They are already being used in countries like Mexico and China and represent the future of fast and sustainable construction. For entrepreneurs who want to stay one step ahead, this is one of the most visionary opportunities. Business number 5: machines for PVC and WPC roofing. The roofing market is undergoing a full transformation. PVC and WPC wood plastic composite roofs are replacing zinc sheets and traditional tiles because they are lighter, moisture resistant, durable, and easy to install. With a machine to manufacture PVC or WPC roofs, which you can import from China at prices between $3,000 and $8,000, you can produce sheets and profiles ready for houses, warehouses, schools, or sustainable construction projects. The best part is that this type of roofing requires less maintenance, doesn't rust, and is ideal for hot or highly humid areas. Its demand is growing in both private works and public projects, which makes this machine a safe and profitable investment. Business number 6: portable asphalt machines. One of the biggest challenges cities face is road maintenance. Potholes and cracks generate constant complaints and high vehicle repair costs. Here's the opportunity. A portable asphalt machine that allows you to produce and apply hot asphalt in a matter of minutes, repairing roads quickly and efficiently. These units are compact, easy to transport, and do not require a fixed plant. Their investment can range between $4,000 and $10,000 depending on capacity. The real business lies in securing contracts with city halls and construction companies, which pay very well for this type of service. It's a business model ideal for entrepreneurs who want to focus on urban infrastructure and maintain a steady workflow. Business number 7, mobile concrete plants. Concrete is the backbone of construction, but transporting it from a fixed plant to the job site can increase costs and cause delays. With a mobile concrete plant, which can be mounted on trucks or trailers, you have the ability to produce concrete directly at the construction site. These units are compact, easy to operate, and can handle medium-sized projects such as buildings, roads, or residential complexes. Their price can range between $15,000 and $40,000, depending on hourly production capacity. This business not only turns you into a supplier of an essential input, but also gives you the opportunity to work with large construction companies and secure stable income through long-term contracts. Business number 8, machines to manufacture gypsum blocks. Remodeling and interior partitioning are booming, especially in cities where people are looking to optimize their spaces. Gypsum blocks have become a highly demanded option because they are lightweight, easy to install, fire-resistant, and provide acoustic insulation. With a machine to manufacture gypsum blocks, available from $8,000 to $15,000, you can produce high-quality pieces and distribute them to hardware stores, construction companies, and remodeling projects. This business is very attractive because, unlike cement or brick, gypsum blocks allow faster and cleaner interior work, making them ideal for offices, schools, and modern homes. Business number 9, machines to manufacture SIP insulated panels. SIP, structural insulated panels, are one of the most revolutionary materials in modern construction. These panels, made of layered boards with an insulated core, make it possible to build homes and buildings quickly, efficiently, and with excellent thermal and acoustic insulation. With a SIP manufacturing machine, which includes pressing and cutting systems, you can produce standardized pieces that reduce construction time by up to 60% compared to traditional methods. Prices range between $12,000 and $25,000, depending on production capacity. The great advantage is that these panels are in high demand for social housing projects, modular offices, and sustainable buildings, ensuring a growing market. Business number 10, machines for PVC pipes. PVC is essential in any city. Potable water networks, drainage systems, electrical conduits, and infrastructure works always require it. With a PVC pipe extrusion line costing between $20,000 and $50,000, you can produce pipes of different diameters and thicknesses adapted to local construction regulations. Although the initial investment is higher, demand is constant and secure, since no project is executed without this input. Additionally, you can become a supplier for construction companies, hardware stores, and utility companies, securing stable contracts and large sales volumes. Business number 11, marble and granite cutting and polishing machines. High-end finishes will always have an exclusive and profitable market. With marble and granite cutting and polishing machines, you can process stone blocks into kitchen countertops, premium flooring, elegant facades, and architectural claddings. These machines use diamond blades and water systems for precise cuts and glossy finishes. Their prices range from $10,000 to $30,000, depending on the level of automation. This business is ideal for serving modern buildings, hotels, shopping centers, and high-value homes, where profit margins are high and demand remains strong even in times of crisis. Business number 12, machines to manufacture aluminum windows and doors. The modernization of cities has brought a growing demand for aluminum windows and doors because they are lightweight, resistant, aesthetic, and low maintenance. With a production line that includes profile cutting machines, assembly machines, and presses, you can produce high-quality structures at a very competitive cost. Prices for this equipment range between $4,000 and $10,000, making it an accessible investment compared to other businesses in the sector. The market is huge, from residential homes to apartment towers and modern office buildings. Business number 13, machines to manufacture ceramic flooring. Ceramic is an essential material in construction and remodeling. Bathrooms, kitchens, living room floors, and outdoor areas depend on these products. A ceramic floor manufacturing machine, which includes kilns, presses, and glazing systems, allows you to produce high-quality pieces with a variety of designs. Investment can go from $20,000 to $50,000, but the market is so broad that recovery is fast. Each square meter of ceramic has high turnover and attractive profit margins. In addition, you can innovate with eco-friendly ceramics made from recycled materials, giving you a competitive edge. Business number 14, rubble recycling machines. Every construction site generates tons of cement, brick, and concrete waste that, instead of being discarded, can be turned into reusable aggregates for new works. With a rubble crushing and screening machine priced between $8,000 and $20,000, you can transform this waste into gravel and sand ready to be sold again. This business model is doubly profitable. You reduce disposal costs and create a new input for construction companies and public works. It is also a sector with strong governmental and environmental backing, as it contributes to the circular economy and reduces environmental impact in cities. Business number 15, cellular lightweight concrete machines. Cellular concrete is an innovative material that combines strength with lightness by incorporating air bubbles into the mix. This results in walls that provide better heat and sound insulation, reduce energy consumption, and make construction easier due to lower weight. With a cellular concrete machine, which includes special mixers and molds, you can produce blocks and panels ready for sustainable housing, offices, and remodeling projects. Investment ranges from $10,000 to $20,000 depending on production capacity. The business is very attractive because global trends demand greener, more efficient buildings, and this material is already being used in modern real estate developments. Business number 16, modular prefabricated houses. The housing deficit in Latin America exceeds 45 million homes, and people are looking for fast, safe, and affordable solutions. This is where the modular prefabricated housing business comes in. Structures manufactured in workshops or imported from China that can be assembled in just 30 days on the client's land. These houses do not require traditional construction processes, reduce labor costs, and allow projects to be delivered in record time. Prefabricated modules can cost from $6,000 to $15,000 and offer different models. Small houses for rural areas, government-financed social housing, or tourism projects such as cabins and glamping units. With this business, you not only tap into $1 million market, but also provide real solutions to the housing problem. Business number 17, machines for integrated solar panels. Renewable energy is the future of construction. More and more buildings, homes, and urban projects want to be self-sufficient, and integrated solar panels in roofs and facades are the key. With a machine to manufacture or assemble integrated solar panels, which can be imported from China with prices between $20,000 and $50,000, you can enter a rapidly expanding market. According to the International Energy Agency, global installed solar capacity will grow by more than 11% annually until 2030. Driven by the need to reduce energy costs and meet environmental commitments. With this business, you not only generate income by selling panels or installing them in construction projects, but you also become a key player in the transition toward cleaner, more sustainable cities. You now know the 17 profitable machines in construction that are revolutionizing cities. But the key question is, how do you turn these machines into real money? This is where business models come in. Each machine doesn't just produce a material or product, it opens the door to different ways of monetizing it. You can focus on direct sales, offer services, work with governments, or even export. The important thing is to understand that in construction, there isn't only one path to grow, but multiple routes that can be combined. Let's look at the main business models you can develop with these machines. 1. Direct sale of materials. The simplest and safest model, produce and sell. With a cement block machine, $1,200 to $9,000, you can manufacture concrete blocks and sell them to construction companies, hardware stores, and housing projects. With a PVC roofing machine, $3,000 to $8,000, you can supply local shops and distributors. This is a high rotation model because as long as construction exists, there will be demand for basic materials such as bricks, flooring, pipes, or roofing. It's ideal to start and validate the market quickly. 2. Installation services. Beyond selling materials, you can earn a lot by offering installation services. With aluminum window and door machines, $4,000 to $10,000, you not only manufacture the pieces, but also install them in buildings and homes, generating additional income from specialized labor. The same applies to integrated solar panels, where installation is as valuable as the product itself. This model positions you as a full-service provider and allows you to charge more per project. 3. Production under your own brand. If you want to stand out, you can create your own brand of eco-friendly materials. For example, with a recycled plastic brick machine, $6,000 to $12,000, you can market your blocks as a sustainable alternative and register your own brand. The same applies to ceramic floors or insulated SIP panels. By selling under your brand, you don't just compete on price, but on added value, and you can attract clients who are looking for quality, design, or sustainability. 4. Contracts with city halls and governments. Local governments always have infrastructure projects, repairing roads, building schools, constructing social housing. With machines like portable asphalt units, $4,000 to $10,000, or mobile concrete plants, $15,000 to $40,000, you can bid on public tenders and contracts. This model requires formality and response capacity, but it offers large and recurring income since government projects often have million-dollar budgets. 5. Export to neighboring countries. Construction is a global need, and in many neighboring countries, the supply of innovative materials is limited. With businesses such as WPC roofing production or lightweight cellular concrete, you can become an international supplier. Exporting allows you to access markets that pay higher prices for sustainable, high-quality solutions and to position your company as a regional player. The most powerful thing about this sector is that it allows you to start small and grow strategically. You don't need a huge initial investment to take the first step. With a simple block-making machine of around $1,500, you can already produce the bricks that will supply works in your city, houses under construction, walls, remodeling projects, and social housing. This first move gives you immediate cash flow and the opportunity to position yourself in the local market. When the business starts to take off, the next step is to invest in higher capacity machines. A hydraulic block machine costing between $5,000 and $9,000 multiplies your production and allows you to handle larger orders. Then you can add new product lines with equipment such as PVC and WPC roofing machines, $3,000 to $8,000, which open doors to the remodeling and modern construction market, or a recycled plastic brick machine, $6,000 to $12,000, that positions you as a leader in sustainable construction. The key is to diversify and combine products. You don't stick only to cement blocks. You gradually add roofing, ceramic floors, aluminum windows, and even integrated solar panels. This way you reduce risk, expand your client base, and generate multiple income streams at the same time. In a few years, what started as a small workshop can become a mini construction materials plant, capable of producing hundreds of pieces per day. From there, you can make the leap to becoming a strategic supplier for large construction companies, bidding on city hall and government contracts, and even exporting innovative materials to neighboring countries where the demand for modern and sustainable solutions grows every year. In other words, this sector offers you the possibility to scale without limits. Every machine you add is not just a piece of equipment, it is a new business line, a new market, and a new growth opportunity. You now know 17 profitable construction businesses that are transforming cities. The most exciting part is that all of them are within reach of any entrepreneur willing to take the first step. In the description of this video, you'll find the direct link to safely import these machines from China at very low prices. Subscribe to Mentalidad Rentable and turn on the notification bell, because every week I show you new ideas to turn one machine into your mini factory and a dream into your next profitable business.